I'm going to talk about how will climate change affect. So, how will climate change affect oscillations? So, I didn't talk about one of them. So, climate change could bring more positive, positive North Atlantic oscillation. So, so light rain in Newmarket, Ontario. Snowfall also same thing. Orangeville, Ontario could get some 0.25 no 0.25 millimeters of rain. So Newmarket, Orangeville, and Snowfall is 0.25 millimeters of rain. Wyton, Owen Sound could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain, but Wyton is getting less rain than Owen Sound. So Barrie, Ontario could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain with some breaks between. So Georgia could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain this one. So let's see, Peterborough could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. So next hour, 8 a.m. nothing almost everywhere in southern Ontario except for Niagara Falls, north of Niagara Falls City. So next hour, so Wyerton could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. That means you could see like brighter skies in Wyerton compared to Owen Sound. So Owen Sound is 0.25 millimeters of rain. Midland could get some breaks of rain. Like 0.25 millimeters of rain for Wyerton also. So Fort Erie, Ontario, and Niagara Falls City could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain, but Niagara Falls City compared to Lake Erie, not Lake Erie, Fort Erie is gonna get brighter clouds. So Belleville, Ontario could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain, but yeah. So next hour, it's gonna. So Wyerton could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Midland, nothing. So Saturday, September 7th, Sunday. So Scarborough could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Newmarket, not Newmarket, Richmond Hill is 0.25 millimeters of rain. Brampton, Oakville could get some. Brampton, Mississauga could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. So Wyerton could get some 6.25 millimeters of rain passing through. Owen Sound could get some 2.5 millimeters of rain. So nothing except Kuba could get some borderline some 0.25 millimeters of rain in this weather model. So next hour. So Wyerton could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Owen Sound could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain with some break in it. So Barrie, Ontario 0.25 millimeters of rain. Belleville, Ontario 0.25 millimeters of rain. Fort Erie could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Newmarket passing through some light rain, 0.25 millimeters of rain. Quebec doesn't count because it's passing through. So Barrie, Ontario could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Wyerton could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. But Owen Sound is going to get some breaks possible with some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Niagara Falls City is 0.25 millimeters of rain. So next hour, Nothing on 2 p.m. September 8th. It's nothing except for orange sound. It's 0.25 millimeters of rain for 30 minutes, less than an hour. We're gonna say hour for now because the weather mod skips 3 hours. So next hour, nothing around 8 p.m. 8 a.m. September 9, nothing. 2 p.m. nothing. 8 p.m. nothing. Final hour nothing. So total precipitation once every 12 hours. So this is okay. So 1 millimeters of rain is gonna say Scarborough first. So Scarborough is gonna get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. Stouffville is 1 millimeters of rain. Newmarket is 1 millimeters of rain. Richmond Hill is 1 millimeters of rain, but less than Newmarket. So Orangeville, Ontario, it's gonna be 0.7 millimeters of rain. Mississauga is 0.7 millimeters of rain. Brampton is 0.7 millimeters of rain. Belleville nothing. Quebec could get some possible to get some 0.2 millimeters of rain. So Barrie done. Barrie could get some 1.7 millimeters of rain. Yeah, 1.7 millimeters of rain. It's not even touching the green part, which is 2.5 millimeters of rain. Blue Mountain is 1 millimeter of rain. So nothing, or most part of southern Ontario is going to be around 0.7 millimeters of rain. With some greens doesn't count. So that's the average of everywhere in like cities everywhere in southern Ontario. Next day, so Niagara Falls City could get some 0.2 millimeters of rain. Quebec is passing through, doesn't count. So Belleville is 0.2 millimeters of rain. Byerton, Owen Sound, even though Owen Sound has less intense rainfall, could get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. So next day, so Whiteton could get some more rainfall, but it still counts as 0.7 millimeters of rain. Possible to get millimeter of rain. Owen Sound is 0.7 millimeters of rain. So Scarborough nothing except Southern Scarborough doesn't count. So Quebec could get some 0.2 millimeters of rain. Belleville is 0.5 millimeters of rain somewhere in Belleville. So Niagara-on-the-Lake is 0.2 millimeters of rain. Niagara Falls City is 0.7 millimeters of rain. London, nothing. Newmarket, possible to get 0.2 millimeters of rain. Orangeville, Ontario could get some. Actually, Newmarket, nothing. So Orangeville, Ontario is 0.2 millimeters of rain. So next so if we combine like weather informations and weather forecast, it's gonna make it like 1 hour, or it's gonna take like 30 minutes or 35, like 40 minutes. So it's gonna take too long to. So Owen Sound is gonna get some 0.2 millimeters of rain. So Blue Mountain, nothing. Grants of rain doesn't count. So final hour, nothing. So total precipitation in 5 days, close to. So Scarborough is gonna get some millimeters, 1.2 millimeters of rain, 1 millimeter of rain. He gets the second, third, last lightest gray. So it's actually like third lightest gray. So downtown Toronto is gonna be 2 millimeters of rain. 2 millimeters of rain in Brampton. Because the number shows like extra rainfall. Because the first lightest gray is gonna be 0.2 millimeters of rain. The very second one is 0.7 millimeters of rain, and the third one is 1.2 millimeters of rain. but it shows up 2 millimeters of rain in Brampton. So Quebec is going to be 1 millimeters of rain, but it's going to be close to 1.2 millimeters of rain. So it's going to be 1.2 actually, or millimeters of rain. Exactly, yeah, it's going to be 1.2 millimeters of rain, and the third light is green in this weather model. So in Belleville, Ontario is going to get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. So Waterton is 13 millimeters of rain. Owen Sound is one more. It's like between like 12, like 9 millimeters of rain, but it's close to 12.5 actually. Closer to 12.5. Like it's around 9 or 10 millimeters of rain. I'm gonna say that. So Newmarket is 2 millimeters of rain. So London, Ontario is gonna get some 0.2 millimeters of rain and some breaks, tiny breaks. So Niagara and the Lake and the Niagara Falls City is gonna get mostly around 0.7 millimeters of rain, but close to 1 millimeters of rain in Niagara Falls City compared to Niagara on the Lake. So air temp. Snowfall is 9 degrees, 10 degrees in Scarborough, Brampton is 10 degrees, 12 degrees in Outer Toronto, 13 degrees in Quebec, 10 degrees in St. Peterborough, 12 degrees in Belleville, Niagara Lake and Niagara Falls City is 13 degrees, 11 degrees in London, 12 degrees in Whiteton, 10 degrees in Blue Mountain, 12 degrees is in Hamilton, 9 degrees is Newmarket, 9 degrees in Orangeville, mixed hour. "17 degrees in London, 14 degrees in Whiteton, 15 degrees in Blue Mountain, 18 degrees in Hamilton, 18 degrees in Brampton, 18 degrees in Outer Toronto, 17 degrees is in Stouffville, 16 degrees in Quebec, 17 degrees is in Peterborough, 17 degrees in Belleville, Niagara Lake is 19 degrees, 18 degrees is Niagara Falls City, Newmarket is 16 degrees, Orangeville is 16 degrees, next hour. "11 degrees in Stouffville, 12 degrees in Scarborough, 13 degrees in Outer Toronto, 11 degrees in Brampton, 14 degrees in Quebec, 10 degrees is in Peterborough, 11 degrees in Belleville, Niagara Lake and Niagara Falls City is 13 degrees, London is 9 degrees, Hamilton is 12 degrees, 10 degrees in Whiteton, Collingwood is 11 degrees, 10 degrees in also Owen Sound, 10 degrees in Newmarket, 11 degrees in Orangeville, 9 degrees actually. So next hour, 17 degrees in Stouffville, 17 degrees in Scarborough, 18 degrees in downtown Toronto, Brampton is 17 degrees, 17 degrees in Niagara Falls, everywhere Niagara Falls, Quebec is 12 degrees, 17 degrees, 16 degrees in Peterborough, 18 degrees in Belleville, 16 degrees in Newmarket, everywhere Niagara Falls is 17 degrees, London is 17 degrees, 14 degrees in Whiteton, 15 degrees in Blue Mountain, 18 degrees in Hamilton, Oakville is 18 degrees, 16 degrees in Orangeville, 17 degrees in Goop. So next hour, Orielton is 9 degrees, 9 degrees in Collingwood, London is 7 degrees, 10 degrees in Hamilton, 9 degrees in Brampton, Scarborough is 10 degrees, 11 degrees in Outer Toronto, 8 degrees is in Stouffville, 11 degrees in Quebec, 8 degrees in Peterborough, 9 degrees in Belleville, Niagara on the Lake in Niagara Falls City. No, Niagara on the Lake is 12 degrees, 10 degrees is in Niagara Falls City. Newmarket is 7 degrees, 6 degrees or 8 degrees is in Orangeville. So next hour, 18 degrees in Stouffville, 17 degrees is Scarborough, 17 degrees in Dr. Toronto, 19 degrees in Brampton, 16 degrees is in Quebec, 17 degrees in Peterborough, 18 degrees is in Belleville, Niagara Lake in Niagara Falls City is 19 degrees, 19 degrees is London, 17 degrees in Wyerton, 17 degrees in Blue Mountain, 17 degrees is Owen Sound. Am I gonna count? So Newmarket is 18 degrees, Orangeville 18 degrees, 19 degrees, 18 degrees in Orangeville actually. So Hamlet is 19 degrees. Next hour, Scarborough is gonna be like 10.5 degrees, Stouffville's 9 degrees, 9 degrees in Brampton, 12 degrees in Outer Toronto, Mississauga is 12 degrees, Hamilton is 14 degrees, 12 degrees in Niagara-on-the-Lake, Niagara Falls City is 11 degrees, Quebec is 14 degrees, 11 degrees in Peterborough, 11 degrees in Belleville, Newmarket is 9 degrees, Orangeville is 9 degrees, I've seen 9 degrees, 11 degrees in London, 10 degrees in Wyerton, 11 degrees in Collingwood. Next hour, final hour. So Wyerton is 20 degrees, 21 degrees in Collingwood, 21 degrees is in London, 21 degrees in Brampton, 21 degrees is in Mississauga, it's 20 degrees actually. 21 actually. So 20 degrees is in Dr. Toronto, 21 degrees is in Stouffville, Scarborough is 20 degrees, 20, no, it's gonna be 20.5 degrees in Scarborough. Quebec is 19 degrees, 20 degrees is in Peterborough, 21 degrees in Belleville, Niagara-on-the-Lake and Niagara Falls City is 22 degrees, Niagara-on-the-Lake is 30 degrees, 22 degrees in Hamilton, 21 degrees is in Newmarket, 22 degrees in Orangeville. Next hour. So this is the end of the video.